Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find Landbank User ID. For Landbank of the Philippines, finding your user ID can be a bit annoying because the app and logged in dashboard usually stops showing it once your device is already registered. So it kind of disappears into the security void after setup. If you're still logged in somewhere, your best bet is to check older login screens, emails, or screenshots from when you first registered, since that's often where the user ID was originally shown. Otherwise, your most reliable option is to contact Landbank support through the Contact Us or Inquiries section and request your user ID verification. They'll usually ask for identity details to confirm it's really you before giving you any info. Another workaround is trying to log in through the Landbank iAccess web portal using your credentials, because in some cases, your username and user ID are the same or can be recovered through your account recovery prompts. If all else fails, support is basically the final boss here, since banks don't exactly hand out IDs like free samples. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.